This video will explain the purpose and process of data validation on the Monitor system. Reporting for the SFM requires data from various sources, including government ministries, agencies or departments, and other stakeholders as applicable to the country. These institutions can be added to the SFM as contributors to enter data for all or specific targets and indicators. After contributors entered the necessary data, they must click on the button Submit Indicator to progress the data to validation. Once the data is submitted for validation, the user with the role of validator will check that the data has been entered correctly by the contributors. This does not mean that validators must verify that the raw data entered by the contributors has been collected correctly or is accurate, but rather that the data entered into the Monitor system is the correct data provided by the source of the data. The validator can also check for common mistakes, like whether a whole number has been entered for number of deaths and not a decimal number. Unlike contributors, validators cannot be assigned to specific targets or indicators. Consequently, if a country decides to assign multiple validators to the system, there is a need for the validators to decide offline which targets or indicators will be validated by whom. It is essential that contributors submit indicators for validation and that validators validate the data in order for data to be used for global reporting. Until the data entered is validated, it remains in draft form and cannot be used for global reporting. It is also important to note that data entered into the system can be changed at any time before or after validation.